My name is Nathaniel McMullen, and I'm a senior health and safety consultant with DECRA. Today, I will be talking to you about the 5 things that you can do to be better prepared for an OSHA inspection. The first thing you can do is become familiar with the OSHA inspection process. I recommend going to www.osha.gov and read the OSHA standard on inspections, citations, and proposed penalties. By reading this standard, you will gain a better understanding of the process that OSHA uses for conducting workplace inspections. In addition, you'll also become familiar with the terminology that you may hear the compliant safety officer use during your inspection. The second thing that you can do is to identify and document the people within your organization that will be involved in an OSHA inspection. Some examples of employees involved in OSHA inspections include the plant manager, HR manager, production manager, and maintenance manager. Also, you'll want to consider if there are any other company employees that need to be notified of a regulatory inspection at your facility. For example, you may need to contact your corporate office to let them know that a regulator is on site and conducting an inspection. Could include notifying your corporate safety department or your employer's legal department. In addition, you'll want to determine if there are backups to any of those individuals in the event that someone is unable to participate in the regulatory inspection. The third thing that you can do is have required documents readily accessible. In this case, I will specifically reference the OSHA 300 logs and the OSHA 300 forms. Having these documents readily accessible for the inspector minimizes interruptions to the inspection process and can demonstrate to the inspector that your safety documentation is being managed appropriately. The fourth thing that you can do is train your team on their responsibilities during an OSHA inspection. One type of training you may want to perform is first point of contact training for those individuals that will be the first person the inspector comes in contact with when they arrive at your site. This may include security personnel or a receptionist. I also recommend conducting regulatory inspection training for any of your management team that would be involved in any opening or closing conferences with the regulatory inspector. This training would help them understand how the overall inspection process works and what are the next steps after the inspection. The fifth and final thing that you can do after you have done all the prep work we discussed above is perform a readiness audit or conduct a drill to ensure your regulatory inspection plan works and there are no gaps. Thank you for listening to this presentation, and I hope you have a safe day. Thank you.